Welcome back, guys. We have a golf cart. The front axle is broken for this one. You can see that piece is broken, and here is the metal piece. You can see that metal piece is broken. Stay with me so we can fix it. So we just open the front wheel and remove this one, take off this screw and this screw. Let me show you the part. And this thing is broken. This thing, you can see that is the fresh one is broken. So I just checked on the Amazon, that piece is at $25, but I have the welding, so I will do this one welding. I'll fix it. So here you can see we just connect this part and we are ready to do the welding. So just use the safety caution. Stay with me. So we will finish the whole thing, then I'll show you. So here you can see we just finished the welding. You can see the both end, and we just did a little bit grinder, so that piece is ready to go. So here we come back with the piece that is repaired. So you can see that piece is going there, like this way here, and then there. That will be fit. We have to fit the screw here and fit the screw here, and then we will fix this piece also. So now you can see we just fixed this screw and that piece is there. It's good. You can see the welding. Everything is ready. Now we will fix the front bumper and the wheel. So we just fixed the front tire. Everything looks good. We are going to turn the wheel. You can see the both wheel is good. We are going to turn on the other side and we will do the test drive, so how it's working. So now it's on the test drive and that is working good. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thanks.